Hey, I'm Cody the Flashlight Guy. We're super excited to be out here representing our two brands, LitezAll and Kodiak. We're a complete portable lighting company, from work lights to task lights. If you look around the park tonight, you'll see hundreds of people using our very own Cobb LED headlamps to light their path. The city of LaSalle has this wonderful celebration of lights, so we thought it was a great opportunity to launch our first annual Deny the Dark 5K run and do it right side by side with our local community. We're very, very ecstatic about the turnout of this run. It's surpassed our expectations, and that's the same expectations we have for future runs. I believe that we could have a nighttime 5K run in every major city across the country, and by doing so, we can get people thinking outside the box, enjoying their day, but also enjoying their night. In the fall months, you're losing that hour of light, and come 5 o'clock, it's dark out. Well, our goal is to provide products that allow you to do those things that you typically do during the day at night, and that is the whole premise of Denying the Dark.